The sniffing intensifies. Yep.
Today, no, wait, cut.
Do I look okay?
Yeah, you look really good on camera.
Okay.
Take your hand off the handlebar maybe on the right one.
But my glove looks big then. It looks funny.
That's okay. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, today's adventure, we decided to go somewhere slightly different than we've been going recently. Just a little bit further south, about the same distance from our home region. And hopefully we can actually find some crown land. There is crown land there. Often it is used for agricultural purposes, so you're supposed to contact the farmer. We'll get out there and we'll see if it's all fenced off or not. And if it is, we'll just have tea and steak on the side of the road like we've been doing.
Can we do it again? What am I supposed to do?
You can say nothing or say something, it doesn't matter. That's fine.
You just punched me and I didn't know what to do.
I know, I just cut it out. We can just cut that part out.
Fine. Oh.
Yeah. Poor guy, trying to sleep. We're just stepping on his area.
Are you okay?
We're good.
Just embarrassed.
That's going right in the blooper reel.
You fell in the hole.
You ready or what?
No. That was too funny. Okay, I'm ready. Okay.
Okay, which way are you gonna go? Are you gonna go left?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, start it up.
I hope so. Oh. Another part of the blooper reel.
Did you stop?
Yeah. I was nervous about that little hill. Signal light on and everything.